Yeah, dear students, in this video, we will learn how to make this one. So first we should create an hexagon, straight line with straight vertical line here. Okay, with 100. 100 is the length, that side of the hexagon. And pad 40, and later we use edge fillet, draft, okay, with an angle 20, all the sides of hexagon, and make a chamfer. Okay, so create chamfer here, chamfer here, chamfer here. So to do that one, we create a triangle here, a triangle, okay, on the plane crossing these two corners. Okay, so on the plane crossing these two corners, create the triangle and groove it. Okay, and make this one and use variable radius b. Okay, so the part name is okay. So choose front view YZ plane. Hexagon is here. Okay, vertical hexagon. Okay, vertical line. This line should be vertical. Okay. So the diameter of that one is dimension of that one is 100, and pad. So pad 40, and now use drop angle to make this side, this side, this side, and this side, this side, and this side. Okay. So drop angle with the angle uh, 20 degrees, and neutral element is either this one or other side. Okay, and change the angle, reverse the direction. Okay, so like this one. Okay, that is the side view. Side view. Okay, so now we make select this face. Okay, select this face, and make the shape, right? So to make that shape, I use two center rectangles. That is easy for me, or you can use profile also. Two center rectangles. The length is 100, and width is height is 20. 100 and 20. Okay, and one more rectangle. 100. 20. Trim. Okay. So it should be an empty sketch inside. There should not be hinges here to here. There should not be any line from here to here. And use pocket. The pocket length is 30 millimeters. Okay. So 30. Okay. Click on. Okay. So now the right side is this one. Like this is the right side view. So Yeah, this one is left side view and right side view is this one. So now we should make this sketch. Okay, so where we have to make on the plane, it is crossing these two corners, right? So which plane? That one is ZX plane. Okay, so draw a triangle like this one, small triangle. So this triangle length, it is coinciding here. The point is coinciding with the line, and this is also coinciding with this line. Oh, not coinciding. So let me check that. Okay, coinciding with that line, coincidence. Okay, so this line and this line are matching at this point, and this line are matching, and the angle is the length of this is length of this one is 20. Okay, and the angle is 40 from the vertical line. Okay, so this line, the angle between these two lines is 40. Okay, inside angle 40. Okay, so now use groove. Yeah, center axis is this one. H axis. Okay, so now we should use a variable radius because fillet here 15 millimeter, but inside is 5 millimeter. Okay, outside 15 millimeter. So yeah, we choose fillet. Yeah, but I think yeah, variable radius fillet. So in new versions of CATIA, so you can do variable radius fillet in here itself. Okay, it's edge fillet. There is option here variable radius fillet. Okay, so variable radius fillet. Yeah. So select this, select this, select this one, all the 4 edges. So by default, all the 4 edges having constant radius 5 millimeter. Okay, change this one to 15. Outside radius to 15. Okay, so change this one to 15. Change this one to 15. Change this one to 15. Okay, so yeah, that is the end of this one. But here I want to make this one. So this part we finished. Okay, this part, and how to make the bottom one. Okay, so we create the sketch. Okay, the sketch, and copy that sketch to here. We create the sketch here, and copy the sketch to here, and use a multi-section solid with changing closing point on a different location. Okay, closing point for the sketch, suppose here. For the next sketch, right, closing point is in the other direction. Okay, and we use fillet here, edge fillet with radius 30. Okay, yeah, so where we have to draw the sketch, right, we have to draw that sketch, the back side. Okay, so back side is plane, select this plane, and that is also I think the YZ plane in my case, same as YZ plane. Okay, so yeah, circle, the radius of the circle is 50. We already did this kind of thing, right? Diameter 50 or radius 50, diameter 100. And we should create this arc here or here, anywhere, okay? And we rotate the arc, right? 8 times, 8 times. So R10 arc. So you can use arc or you can also use circle. So arc radius 10, but diameter is 20. So you can use radius 10. Okay. So now, yeah, trim this one. Trim this one. And now, yeah, you rotate this arc 8 times, remaining 7 times. Okay. So total 8 arcs are there. Here one arc, here, and the angle. So yeah. So select the arc, right? First select the arc and rotate one and 7 times. And the center point of the arc is this one. And the angle is, if there are 8 arcs, right? The angle between them is 45. If you don't know the angle, 360 divided by 8. Okay. And here you can trim. So my sketch should be like this one, empty sketch. Okay. So close it sketch. Yeah. So here empty. Here also empty. All the sides you should trim. And now we create a plane, right? So from here we have to make here one more sketch like that one. So what is the gap between them? 100 millimeter. So we create a plane from this one or from YZ plane. So we create a plane with gap 100. Oh, so sorry, backside, reverse direction. Reverse direction. And so you copy this sketch, right? You can select the sketch from here, copy, and on this plane, paste. Okay, Control C, Control V. And now, so the twisting is like this one, right? So now we should connect to this point to that point is this one, right? So 2 points ahead of that one, okay, for this sketch closing point. We should connect this point to this point if the closing point for the sketch one is here. So, but I don't know what default point it will show. So multi-section solid, select this one and select this one. It is showing closing point here, right? Closing point here. Okay. So I want to have a right hand side twist, right? Right hand side means so closing point 1 and closing point 2 here. So you should choose replace this closing point to here, 2 points ahead. Okay. So we'll replace to here to get right angle twist. Okay, right side twist. In the figure, right? If the twist is in the reverse direction, right? You should choose the closing point 2 points forward. Okay, not ahead, backward, in the backward direction. So now click on OK. So we can see here when I see okay like this one, and I see the front side view is like this one. Okay, so and one more thing here, we need to make fillet here, edge fillet, right? 30 millimeter here around. So we should do that one in 3D, right? So edge fillet, simple edge fillet, and radius of that fillet is 30. With this edge, this edge, this edge, all the 8 edges. Not this one. You should select the edge only. This one. Edges of this gear. Okay, the gear type. Okay. So that is the end of this figure. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.